Hello and welcome back. My name is Gareth from TechProgression, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Cooler Master Devastator keyboard. This keyboard is the perfect keyboard for any gamer. Let's get into the review. The Cooler Master Devastator keyboard has a custom membrane design, making it more durable with improved tactile feedback. Other features of the keyboard include the dedicated multimedia keys, which are a great addition to any keyboard, allowing users to play, pause and skip through to different songs and videos with ease. The keyboard also has anti-slide rubber pads on the back, so you won't need to worry about your keyboard sliding everywhere. I found this pretty useful at times. One of my personal favourite features about this Cooler Master keyboard is the LED backlight. As you can see, my backlight is blue. However, you can actually choose to have your keyboard backlight in two other colours, red and green. But for that, unfortunately, you'd need to buy a different keyboard, because the downside of this keyboard is that you can't change the LED backlight via the keyboard, which is quite annoying sometimes. Whilst the LED backlights are great, you may sometimes find it hard to use the buttons when you have the lights turned off, as they are quite transparent, as you can see. To turn your LED backlights on and off though, all you'll have to do is just press the SCR-LK button, and there you will have your lights turned on or off. The sound of the keys when you type aren't too loud. They are much quieter compared to your typical average keyboard, and I've actually found this useful, especially for when recording videos. So here's a little preview of what it sounds like when you type. To start using the keyboard, all you need to do is plug in the USB. Once you've done that, the backlight will turn on and you'll be able to use it. So if this keyboard caught your attention, you are able to pick it up from Amazon for £29.80. You'll also get a gaming mouse with it, which is the bonus. So check the description for a direct link to the keyboard and you'll be able to purchase it from there. Hey guys, okay, so if you like this review, please do leave a thumbs up, that'd be really appreciated. If you could also subscribe to the channel, there's a load more content coming out very soon, so keep your eyes open for that. And guys, why not drop a comment? Tell me what keyboard you are currently using. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.